This 2018 Lincoln MKC Premier is brought to you by Auto Boutique. Auto Boutique is proud to offer excellent pre-owned vehicles priced thousands of dollars below retail value. Found a similar vehicle at a lower price? We will match it. Buying a car from us is easy. You can purchase the vehicle by paying cash, or you can finance through one of our partnered lenders. Our partnered lenders include Capital One, Wells Fargo, Ally Financial, Community First FCU, USFFCU, USAA, and more. Give us a call to confirm if you're partnered with your lender. Visit AutoBoutiqueFlorida.com to fill out an application for a quick and easy approval. Thank you for considering Auto Boutique for your next vehicle purchase. Visit us at autoboutique.b12soft.com.